Hey there, friends and fellow crafters, it's Leanne, and I am here today with a holiday thank you card using products from Imagine Crafts. So I'm starting off with my anti-static powder tool, and I'm bringing in a stencil that's Snowflake's, Versamark ink, which of course is a clear sticky ink, and I'm just putting that all over this stencil, getting it down in those crevices of the snowflakes. We're going to do some heat embossing with this, and I just really want those snowflakes to be able to shine. So, got out my coffee filter, and I'm using my clear embossing powder from Imagine Crafts, and just sprinkling that all over, trying not to get fingerprints in it, because I don't want to mess this up. Of course, this is my little vacuum. I love that little vacuum. Anyway, cleans up messes really quick. Glitter, embossing powder, whatever. So, warming up my heat tool. And now I'm going to get these snowflakes melted. Do we want melting snowflakes on our card? Well, in this instance, we do want melting snowflakes on our card. So, that's kind of weird. Okay, so, back to my card. So I'm just getting everything melted until I can see a nice shine. And now I'm going to do something different for me. I'm getting out my, that's a piece of repositionable tape so that my project doesn't move. Taking a piece of cardstock, and I have fireworks sprays that I'm going to be using Angel Pink, Summer Sky, and Lulu Lavender. And so here we go. That was the Angel Pink. This is the Summer Sky. And my Lulu Lavender, which is the baby size. It's my favorite of the three, and it's the baby. So, as you can see, it's a little wet mess right now, but I'm going to take my heat gun, and I'm going to dry it real quick. Take microfiber towel to wipe up the excess so that I can get that slight sheer that I'm looking for. I didn't want it like totally saturated and a major pink, blue, purple type thing. I wanted it just slight. So now I have this LetterIt stamp that is says thank you, and I'm getting a piece of vellum that I know is on my desk somewhere, but I can't see it. So it's taking me a minute. There we go. I'm going to get this vellum, and I'm going to stamp that down. I am using my VersaFine Clair in Nocturne to stamp that down, and I am going to stamp it a couple times because this is the first time I've ever used this stamp set, and I just want to make sure that it's getting good. I'm really having trouble with that U word. It's too close to the edge, so I'm going to move it, and we're going to do this again. Hey, when it doesn't work the first time, move it. It works for me. And I'm going to do it one more time because I'm just really not getting it. I decided I wanted to heat emboss it. So now I use that anti-static powder bag again and stamped it a couple more times. Throw on that clear embossing powder. Put the rest away. Heat that up. And now I'm going to be happy. So now I will use my trimmer. I'm going to shave this card base down to 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to trim the thank you sentiment down, and it's going to be like a belly band on my card. And of course I did get fingerprints on it because why wouldn't I? So I'm going to take my microfiber towel and clean those fingerprints off the best I can. And then, when in doubt, use your Stays-On ink cleaner. Hey, look at that. It took the ink right off. I was so happy with myself thinking of that. So, I'm going to wrap this like a belly band. I'm getting my tear-it tape so that I can put it on the back of this so that when I wrap it, it can adhere to the back side and it doesn't show through. I am going to attach this to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 top folding card base, and my project will be complete. Everything I've used will be in the description box below. Please come back and visit us tomorrow for the next project from the design team. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.